I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center. The TSX hit a new intraday high to close out this week, wiping out the previous all-time high set last July. It was also a winning week on Bay Street, a gain of about 1%, even as oil lost a bit of ground. Now, U.S. markets also saw gains over the holiday-shortened trading week. The Nasdaq still leading the way with a year-to-date gain of about 20%. So two new stocks made their debut on Wall Street. Shares in Pinterest had an IPO price of $19. It opened at $23.75 and jumped by 25%. So it's now being called the second biggest IPO of 2019 after Lyft. It trades on the Dow. And then Zoom Video jumped by 75% on day one. The IPO price here, $36. It trades on the NASDAQ. Now, earnings season continues, and next week in the U.S., we're going to hear from a number of big companies, including Boeing, Caterpillar, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, and others. As well, next week, we've got an interest rate announcement by the Bank of Canada, though no change is expected. Now, some economists say the central bank could be on the sidelines indefinitely. One thing that people might be looking for is insight on how the bank perceives Canada's economic slowdown. The data, of course, has been inconsistent and not at all reassuring. Some say it might have taken the possibility of an interest rate cut off the table, and it's also got some wondering if the bank will provide any stimulus. The Canadian dollar started this week above 75 cents. It closed below that mark. And the next time you're in the U.S., the signature crafted burger at McDonald's will not be an option. The fast food chain is removing the costlier premium burgers from the menus in favor of its more popular quarter pounders. Now, the signature burgers were added to the menu in the U.S. 2 years ago. The ingredients, though, cost more, and putting them together take longer, leading to longer waits in stores and in the drive-thru. Now, these burgers were never on the menu in Canada. The closest thing we've got is the Angus burger, and I'm told that it's not going anywhere. In fact, a McDonald's spokesperson pointed out to me that they have just launched a new flavor, the Mighty Angus Carolina Barbecue. I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center for City News.